everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you my I Bloom apple squishy. And I did my hair. Well, I got my hair done, and here I made the packaging for it. I have a video on this. I might not be posting it on this channel, but I'm on my Sweet channel, but I'm just so glad that I get to talk to you guys through camera. And yeah, so if you want me to do a squishy collection, because I have another squishy, it's just paper. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make paper squishies. So it's not that squishy because I got it in the first squishy package. See, it's not squishy. I wanted like a hamburger squishy, but you know, it's already in a good position the way it is. It does have some defects some places. It's kind of squishy. I mean, it's not the best type of squishiness, but I just love it. I can't wait to do how to make a squishy out of paper and how to make a packaging for it. I'm just going to be using one of the squishies I already made. But yeah, this is just my I Bloom apple. Well, it's supposed to be I Bloom apple, but it's not I Bloom apple. It's it's like a stress ball. So I basically use it as a stress ball. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want me to start posting more often or get this video to 1 like. So yeah, bye guys.